In this beginner's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can format your tables here in Google Sheets. So if you're new to using these pre-built tables here in Google Sheets, these are the simple steps on how you can format your tables. Well, let's get started by renaming that table. If you want to rename your table, the quickest way to do it would be to double-click on that space, and there you have it. Now you can select that and rename it into something else. There you go. Once you've entered your table name, just press enter and there you have it. You can also rename your table by going to that table menu and selecting the first option right at the top. Next one is adjusting your table range. As you can see, I do have some empty cells or rows at the bottom of my table. Now I can quickly delete that by clicking on adjust table range. So right now my table is from A1 to E15. So my rows 14 and 15 are actually empty and my actual data ends at row 13. So that's what I'm going to enter right here. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on OK and it has automatically adjusted the size of that table. Going back to our table menu, we're going to go to the table header color. We can choose a different color for our headers right here. So that's your table color. If I select this one, there you have it. It's quickly applied to those headers. Next one, if I select a different one, there you go. I can also customize the color by clicking on this plus sign right here. Then I can select a different color by adjusting some of these right here. We have our color palette and then the different shades of that same color, which is again totally up to you on what you want to choose for your table color and your header color. Next one, we have our table formatting. If I hover over that and go to the right side, we have 4 options, which would say show table grid lines. If I click on this one, these are the grid lines that it is talking about. So if I undo that, a normal table or pre-built table, once it starts, doesn't have those grid lines like in the normal part of our spreadsheet. So with our tables, we can opt to have it or not. That is totally up to you. Going back to table formatting again, we have our alternating colors. So if we don't want those alternating colors, we can deselect that. And there you have it. It's all white. Next one, we have our condensed view. So again, what's different with our pre-built tables is that the sizes of our rows are actually bigger than the regular part of our spreadsheet. So again, those rows are bigger. If we select that condensed view right here, it will match the size of our rows with our pre-built table. If I undo that, there we have it. Go back to that table formatting and select show table footer. If we select this one, this will actually show a footer at the end of our table. So we have our headers and our footer right at the bottom. So depending on how you want your pre-built tables to look like, you do have all of those options right here. If we wanted to revert to unformatted data, our data set would look like this. And of course, last but not the least, we have our final option to delete the entire table. If we click on that, there we have it. All of our data set has now disappeared. And that is your beginner's tutorial on how you can format your tables here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I do have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.